Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we show you how to use a 3-column page layout on the Applaud platform. The 3-column page layout style gives you the most flexibility when designing your page. You have many configurable placement options, including masonry, left sidebar, and right sidebar. Masonry is ideal if your page contains a lot of content blocks, like your home page. It uses a 3-column layout to its full potential, displaying 3 blocks per row. To do this, your page content blocks need their preferred width set to automatic. The left sidebar placement occurs when your content blocks to the left of the page use the automatic width, and your content blocks to the right of the page use 2/3. You can also switch these around to create a right sidebar. In reality, you'll likely use a combination of placement styles on your pages, as illustrated here. You can also add empty, transparent, rich text spaces to your page to determine the placement of certain content blocks. If you're interested in using the 3-column layout style, select Settings. Select 3 columns in the page layout section, then select Update. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.